Hardy dudes and dudettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team. And if you're new here, welcome. All right, so I got to bring home my custom built turbocharged 4th gen Ram truck. All right, I have a 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the Hurricane engine. This thing's fast. I drag race this thing. It's really quick for what it is. Got a lot of power, pretty cool. Unnecessary information, some more unnecessary information. My 2021 Ram 1500 truck sporting the iconic badges. All right, pretty cool deal. I can make the badges light up any way I want them to. I can make them bright. I can make them dim. I can make them change to any color I want. Anyway, all right, so before we get started into this video, because I got to drive home temporarily while Byrne Automotive and Performance gets a few things together because they're not done with this truck. All right, they just wanted me to experience the truck and to, they want me to see what I think about it. And I think, holy crap, holy crap. All right, so really cool. So, all right, let's just jump into it. All right after these shout outs, all right, because this truck wouldn't be where it's at without Byrne Automotive and Performance, #1. All right, so let me get my thumb here. My dirty thumb. Yeah. This thing for like 2 years. Wow. All right, let's do this. I forgot how to drive. Okay, got it in drive. I want my speedometer. Oh wait, this one works. I forgot how this shit works. Oh yeah, come on. There we are, mile per hour. Let's go, let's do this. Oh, wow. Damn. This is great. All right, I just got to make it home. Oh, it's so loud. Daily driving, 922 horsepower, 848 foot-pounds of torque to the rear wheels, baby. Yeah. Got her all warmed up. Oh man, E85 Tomahawk cam, MI tuning, fully forged internals, turbocharger. Oh man, and this guy's gonna go straight. You know, it's a turn only, right, bro? Turn only. Oh man, it's been so long. The truck's super dirty. 2 years, guys. Wow. Oh, there comes. Oh, he nervous coming to pick this truck up. Oh, geez. Oh, man, that turbo. This is crazy. I got my 30-day tag over here. Got a bunch of dirt over here. Got a bunch of dirt all over the place. I don't even care. The inside's clean, though. Damn, this is great. Just driving it home. Yee yee, and a hot damn. Yeah. This is great. Probably a whole bunch of wind noise in this video, but I don't care. This is spam-tastic. Seen the tires. Oh, Billy. Yeah. This thing's got some damn muscle. Woo! Yeah. Hot damn. Hard it is. See what all the hype is about here real quick. Just want to do a little pump before we drive. See what happens. All right, let's go. Whoa, bro! I just broke all the tires loose. Oh damn! All right, that just scared the shit out of me. I'm going home. That's enough. Oh, jeez. That's without any kind of boost launching, man. That boost crept in pretty damn good. Holy jeez. Holy smokes. That's enough for a day. Wow. Damn. All right. Satisfaction guaranteed, baby. Wow. That is crazy, man. Oh. Yeah, this thing officially scares the shit out of me now. Jeez. Woo! That was 15 PSI, like boom, and it does more. Man. Holy crap. Yes. 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 Wow. Unreal. Oh my gosh. That is nuts. Alright, I can't see because my window's so dirty. Alright, I'm gonna wash everything, get it all cleaned up. Oh man. Come on, camera, stop that focusing in and out junk. It's kind of annoying. Wow. I gotta park this thing and go use the bathroom real quick, guys. Holy crap. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, I never hit that hard before ever. Wow. Wow, I was ripping tires. Oh man, I had it in 4-wheel drive lock too. All right, let me park this thing right now. Let me park. All right, there we are. I got her parked. Oh man, let's pop that hood. Oh jeez, yep, steps deployed. Yeah, man, wow. Thing's ridiculous. Holy smokes. Woo, got some smoke. Yeah, baby. Oh, right out there, look. It's a catch can. It's doing its job. Alright, which is catch that blow-by, baby. Woo! That's badass right there, man. Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Jeez. Freaking awesome. Yep, we gotta get it cleaned up, get the paint done, get her washed.